Hey there, it's Jason here from 1 Hour Forex, and today is January 24th, 2012. Okay, so basically here is our 2 o'clock bar of opportunity. Okay, so we're going to go now and we're going to look at the 15-minute to see if this was indeed a trade. Okay. So we'll take off the auto scroll and we'll scroll back. Okay. So it was a trade. Or no, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. Or was it? No, it wasn't. You see, it opened up on this candle, and then it came down. Then this one, it shot up. Okay. And it came down again. This is where it almost touched 130 over here. Okay. So when it touched there and shot back up, it was in the last 15 minutes of the bar. So there was no trade on that candle of the hour. Okay? Now let's take a look at this one. Now this one basically just opened up and created a very small wick. If it would have came up to here and came back down and sold off, it would have been a trade. Okay? There was no trade on here as well. Okay? Now, let's look on our 4 o'clock bar and see what we have. Okay, so it basically ran up right from the get-go, okay, then sold off, okay. By the time it would have came down here to sell, it was in the last 15 minutes as well. So there was no trades, ladies and gentlemen, on any of the 3 UK hours: 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 4 o'clock. Now, let's look at the US session. So here is the 8 o'clock, okay? Here's the 9, and here's the 10, okay? Now, we definitely had a trade here, okay? And if you want, we'll go and we'll check it out. We'll look on the 15, okay? It opened up, created this wick, which sold off this trend line, which I'll show you in a second, and you got short, and down it went. Okay. The only problem is from the entry point, 1 pip, okay, to the pivot, it was basically 9.4 pips. So it was missing our qualifications by like 0.6 of a pip. Okay. I bet you they're going to run it right back up today to 30.50. By another 3 or 4 hours from now. That's what it looks like they're going to do. You can see the bullish trend starting with the pullback, see? But anyway, so if you did this trade, well, you were looking to take 9 pips, okay, at the pivot, okay? And let's see in the 15-minute, sure enough, yes, it was. You would have got short right here at about 8:30 this morning, which then it just collapsed down about 30 pips. If you held it to the the close of the candle, which was right here, okay, you would have made about 30 pips if you followed that rule. Other than that, basically, you got 10 pips to the pivot. Okay, so let's look now at the 1 hour again. And let's look at this candle. So here's our 9 o'clock candle right here. Came down. You see, made a double bottom off here and almost touched 29.50. So let's go see now in the 15-minute if this was a qualifying trade. Okay, so yes, it came down, and right away within the first few minutes or so, you would have got long right here. Okay, so let's move that over. Yes, okay. So you would have got long right here. Your stop would be below here, about 17 pips. And then it closed up here somewhere. So you got about 14 pips out of it or so. If you're still holding it, well, you got about 30 pips. Okay? So why was that a trade? Well, I'll tell you why. Right here. Okay? It's a trend line. Okay, but it made a double bottom here. This also is for the next candle. I put that on there. I'm getting ahead of myself. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. This one here, okay, you would have got long right here. Okay, yeah, it only went up about 13 pips and closed down with 7. So maybe you would have got 7 out of that one. Now, it's the next one I was talking about. Okay, this one here came down, basically bounced off. You would have drawn a trend line there. Actually, this one bounced off the trend line. There was actually no trade on this one, actually, if you think about it. This next one here, which was at 9 o'clock. Geez, I'm mixed up here. Damn it. It's the 10 o'clock. It's the 10 o'clock one. Sorry. Okay, yeah, so just basically opened up and went up to here and went sideways. Now we're moving higher. So anyway, you had a trade on this one and this one. You had a 10 pip winner here and then about another 7 pip winner here. And neither one of them hit your stop. Didn't come anywhere near it. And anyway, if you did this trade here, you got in on it because it bounced off the trend line, see it's only 6 pips to the pivot. But now she's running up, as you can see, about 17 pips. But anyway, that's it for today. So there was no trades in the UK session, the 2, 3, and 4 o'clock. But there was a trade in the US session at 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock. Okay? One was good for 10 to 30 pips. The other one was good for about 7 to 10 pips. Okay, thanks for watching, and you have yourself a wonderful, wonderful day.